Welcome to the Skin Masters Program. I'm Dr. TWL board-certified dermatologist and Chief Scientific Officer of Asia's leading clinical skincare brand, Dr. TWL Dermaceuticals. I created the Skincare and Cosmetic Ingredients Dictionary as a complete course for skin experts who desire true mastery of the art of skincare formulation. The teaching style is based on an optimized program developed with a workbook for an interactive learning approach that delivers results. Unlike traditional teaching methods of skincare ingredients, which focuses on rote learning and memorization, this course takes a practical approach that allows you to demonstrate true mastery, something which is absolutely critical in today's fast-paced world of beauty entrepreneurship. The beauty and wellness industry is estimated to be worth a whopping $571 billion in 2023. And if you are seeking a share of the pie, whether as a beauty influencer, a brand entrepreneur, or an esthetician, knowledge is the key to standing out. Learning isn't just about remembering information. It's also about learning how to learn. And in today's world, knowledge alone isn't enough. Information is just a click away with internet search engines. What's important instead is true mastery in how you learn and apply knowledge acquired. You see, when it comes to personal branding and the business world, application of what you know is key. Nobody cares what you know until they understand why they should listen to you. And that's when expertise and certifications play a key role. The Skin Masters Academy was birthed out of a vision to empower beauty entrepreneurs, women who teach others to become beautiful from the inside out. I want to emphasize that systematic foundation building actually begins with knowing about skin physiology. And that brings us to skin health. In this course, I take you through step by step to build a solid foundation of skin knowledge, beginning with skin physiology. As the author of key scientific papers in the skin microbiome and microclimate published in top journals like the International Journal of Dermatology and the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology, I'll share with you the most up-to-date approach to understanding how skin works, literally from the inside out. The handbook is created for true mastery and contains all that is required to gain an advanced level of skincare mastery based on the neuroscience-backed learning techniques that I have used throughout my academic career. Every visual included is created with a purpose, to keep your attention and to spark new connections in your mind. The secret to creativity that's a must-have for every successful entrepreneur. It's time to ditch rote learning and learn only about skincare ingredients that the pros recommend. By that, I mean you have to study smart. Forget about traditional cosmetic ingredient dictionaries. In the age of cosmeceuticals, these long lists of meaningless synthetics are outdated. The Dr. TWL Skincare Ingredient Dictionary was compiled based on a comprehensive analysis of over 100 best-selling skincare brands, both synthetic and botanical cosmeceuticals included. Distilled down to the core concepts, you will be learning about the latest actives that top cosmeceutical brands are incorporating into their skincare. Learning can be fun once you've discovered how to learn. This is why I've included my content blueprints and speed guides for easy recap and reference. I created this book not just as a collection of foundational notes, but also one that includes an entire section dedicated to learning aids, cut-out flashcards, mind map-style worksheets, as well as a bullet point summary after the lecture that reinforces what you have learned. Included with the book purchase are module-specific video workshops, as well as special community access where I'll answer your questions. The complete Skin Masters program comes with 10 modules of video instruction based on the textbook material. I'll also be answering your questions on a students-only Q&A platform.